Life shouldn't hurt with Grant Fedoruk.
If you've been so unfortunate to be injured, then chances are you've developed something called scar tissue. It's something that will affect all of us in some way in our lives. Scar tissue is formed as part of the normal healing process. It forms whenever our body's tissue is damaged. Now, most people understand scars that form as a result of a cut, as they're easy to see. But scar also forms internally when we damage muscle, ligaments, or tendons. Normal tissue in the body is made of collagen and elastin that sits in an organized fashion. Like a new paintbrush, it allows for normal contraction and flexibility. While necessary for strength, sometimes this can lead to contraction of the scar, like the drying out of a paintbrush. This leads to a lack of flexibility in the tissue, and often this poor structural organization can cause pain and dysfunction. Have your injury assessed to receive advice in the early stages. We aim to ensure that that paintbrush remains supple and ready for the next use, and to create that work of art it is capable of creating.